Hi there, it's Kayla from the Adventures of Kayla and Silas. Today, I want to tell you a little bit more about how Silas and I handle money while traveling. I recently wrote a blog post going into a lot of detail about this, so I thought I'd share a little more here as well. I've stolen Silas's wallet, so we're ready to begin.
Hey babe, have you seen my wallet?
Yeah, I'm using it for a video.
Okay, I'll keep looking for it then.
First of all, since we are traveling as a couple, our wallets complement one another. We never keep all of our money in one place, and each of us has some things that the other doesn't. Obviously, solo travelers won't have this exact same setup, but the principle is the same. You don't want all of your money or valuable documents in one place. It's best to split them up between hiding spots. So, Silas carries a clip wallet, and I have a small crossbody purse, which I use as my wallet. Doesn't really matter what you use so long as it works for you. I would note that RFID blocking wallets are a great option to help protect you. I'll put some links in the notes if you're looking for something like that. All right, so let's take a look at Silas's wallet first. He's got our two favorite credit cards right here up front. Then a backup credit card and our backup debit card as well. On the other side, he has some local currency and he has his driver's license. Then on the inside, he's got, well, what is this? A really old insurance card and an even older car insurance card. Aww, and a picture of me.
Hey Kayla, have you seen my wallet?
No, sorry. Have you checked your jeans?
Oh, good idea. I'll try that.
Now, in my wallet, I've also got some local currency. Well, these are some like return bus tickets. I've got a bunch of change because Silas doesn't like to carry that. And then I've got key, pen, lip balm, hair tie, you know, normal girl purse stuff. In the next section, let's see. I've got, well, some sentimental things like the $2 bill my grandma gave me. It's kind of an inside joke. Pictures of my nephew. I have our health insurance cards. I have some American cash, my driver's license, two favorite credit cards, the debit card that we almost always use, and then our a different backup credit card. And then in the front here, I keep some meds, like some pain meds and Benadryl.
Kayla, are you sure that my wallet didn't end up in your stuff?
Well, I guess I don't know. You can check my bag if you want.
Good idea.
As you can see, we try not to clutter up our wallets too much, and we planned out exactly what we wanted to have in our wallets so we could complement one another and back each other up in case of an emergency. If you have any more questions about how we organize our money, please don't hesitate to ask. You can also hit the subscribe button to get even more great travel videos. Until next time, we're Kayla and Silas, wishing you luck with your upcoming adventures. Okay.
Oh, nice. Look, I must have left it here earlier.
I need some wine.